today Oma's going to review her apple crumble recipe. It is out of the world. I love her apple crumble. It's super easy to make. So let's give her the floor and she'll show us how to make it. First, allow me to introduce our chef of the day. Alright, now let's start. For the apple crisps, how thick do you slice it?
Like that.
Oh, wow.
Like that.
Pretty thick.
No, it's not thick.
Oh, they're so crispy.
The sugar and cinnamon. I thought you wanted to see how this is done, so I didn't do anything more. I just finished doing them.
It's
could have been a bit more. I just had 4 apples at home, but the recipe calls for 6.
There's only 4 here?
Yeah, but that's enough.
That's enough for you and I.
Yeah. Okay, now it says half a cup of what do you call it? Orange juice, but I got mango. Doesn't matter. This is water or orange juice. And I use mango. Okay.
What's in this sugar mix?
Cinnamon.
Just cinnamon? There's no sugar?
Just sugar and cinnamon.
Ah, and then there's juice. That's our secret recipe.
And then I've got about 6 tablespoons of butter, and then a cup of flour, and then you just mix it. Then I put a little bit of cinnamon in here too. It doesn't say cinnamon, but I like a little bit of cinnamon in the crumbs.
That's your secret. How fine do you have to make it?
I don't know. You can just kind of feel it. That's all it's. Oh, a little bit of salt. I didn't put any salt in the apples. I just need a little bit of salt.
There's a pinch.
A little bit of salt. I think that's okay now. Okay?
Yep.
It should be in for what, 20 minutes?
Yep. I can smell it. It smells so good.
Not brown yet. Do you want to take a picture? All right.
Oh, it smells really good.
20 minutes later.
Just letting it brown for a minute.
Oh. With the, what do you call it? Broil?
Yeah.
You're broiling it.
Woo!
Oh, smells really good.
A few minutes later.
Oh yeah, that's good now.
Peekaboo.
Woo!
Ooh, sizzling hot. Wow. It's bubbling.
It's so easy to make.
I love apple crumble.
Do you?
Yeah.
Oh, what's the matter? There we go.
It's a gigantic piece.
That's kind of squishy. You want another scoop?
That's good, thank
Okay.
you. That's good, thanks. Okay. No, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good.
Sit on by the coffee table.
Best birthday cake.
Dig in.
Oh, Joey.
They're so crunchy too. good
You
crumble.
haven't tried it yet, Joey. How do you know if
I've
it's good?
tried it many times. That's why I requested it. So good.
Nothing.
Try it.
Nothing special.
It's very special. Try it out.